speak. Can you hear it? I think no. So we have an interesting product from Stranger, and this is just a beast and it can amplify sound. So let's get started. You're watching Kavish Vlogs and Tech, and we have amplifier today. Go. Okay, this beast can amplify your sound up to 1000 times. So it's just amazing, and here you can see it supports 20 watt, and the best part is that it has 3 input. Okay, so let me unbox it. To 6.3 mm jack to connect your headphone in this amplifier. So I was talking about this amplifier, so let me show you a demo how this beast performs. So let's get started. So now the beast is connected with Gibson. So I don't know how to play guitar, but I'm just playing it for demo. So okay, so don't judge me. So I hope this beast is just the beast. The word beast is justified here. And I'm Kavish Sharma signing off. You're watching Kavish Vlogs and Tech. So please make sure to like this video. And if you want to buy this beast, link are given in the description. And the most important thing, subscribe.